When you're figuring out where to put electrical box backing in carpentry, it's all about making sure switches and outlets have solid support before the drywall goes up. So, first off, look at the electrical plan carefully and mark the exact heights for your boxes on the studs. You want to install backing blocks between those studs right where the boxes will sit, so everything's sturdy and won't wiggle later. It's smart to place these blocks near corners or door frames because that's often where switches and outlets go, plus it makes wiring easier. Make sure to coordinate with your electrician to double-check placement and avoid any surprises when they pull wires. Use wood blocks that are thick enough to hold the boxes firmly, but not so big that they interfere with drywall or insulation. When nailing or screwing backing in, keep it flush with the stud face so the box will sit right at drywall surface level. Don't forget to leave space for pest control or fire stopping if local codes require it. Doing all this means your electrical boxes will be easy to mount, accessible for future fixes, and up to code without any hassle. One of the biggest issues carpenters run into with electrical box backing is putting the blocks at the wrong height, which messes up switch and outlet placement. The fix? Always use the electrical plan and measure twice before installing. Another common mistake is not securing the backing tightly enough, so the box ends up loose once the drywall is installed. Make sure to nail or screw firmly right against the stud. Lastly, ignoring coordination with the electrician can lead to boxes being in awkward spots or missing altogether saves. Chatting early with them saves time and headaches down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like electrical box backing properly. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.